Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. For those of you new here, my name is Sweetie Addo and thank you for tuning in. In today's video, I'll be reviewing Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Plus PA Triple Plus with Helioplex Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB. I hope you all know how important sunscreen is for the overall health and appearance of your skin. Using a sunscreen is a must in your daily skincare regime, and without it, you're exposing your sensitive skin to the harmful damage of the sun exposure. Using a sunscreen in your daily skincare regime keeps your complexion even, it gives you sun protection, it protects you against the visible signs of premature aging, it reduces the risk of skin cancer, and it maintains the overall health of your skin. So please continue to watch the entire video because in this video, I'm going to talk all about Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50. I'm going to talk about the packaging, the price, how it benefits your skin. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. And now, without further ado, let's get started. The price of this product is Rs 650 for 88 ml and Rs 250 for 30 ml, and the shelf life of this product is 3 years. The outer packaging looks something like this, which comes in a plastic packaging where it is written SPF 50 Plus P Triple Plus with Helioplex Broad Spectrum UVA plus UVB. At the back you will see that it is a breakthrough in sun protection stabilized with Helioplex. It provides superior balanced broad spectrum protection against skin aging UVA and burning UVB rays. This gives an ultralight and non-shiny finish and has a light fresh scent and is gentle enough even for sensitive skin. It is water resistant, sweat resistant, resists rub off, non-comedogenic, won't clog your pores, and oil free and PABA free. When I bought this product, the price was 549 rupees for 88 ml and now it has increased to 650 rupees for 88 ml. The sunblock comes in a plastic tube with the screw cap. As you can see, I've already used one, and the packaging is really sturdy, lightweight and hygiene to use, and you can easily carry it inside your purse while traveling. The product related required information like usage, benefits, ingredients, price and the expiry date, etc. is mentioned on the outer carton as well as on the tube. It comes in a packaging like this, and when you open it, the sunblock comes in a milky white color and has a slightly thick creamy consistency. Now let us see why we should go for Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock with SPF 50 Plus. Now Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Plus sunscreen is for both men and women. It has a broad spectrum SPF 50 Plus protection against UVA and UVB rays, and the formulation is lotion. It is dermatologist tested, it is ultra light, has non-shiny finish and it leaves skin soft and smooth. It is suitable for all skin types, that is oily, dry and normal, and it is waterproof, sweat-proof, oil-free and non-comedogenic. That means it won't clog your pores. This sunscreen is stabilized with Helioplex Broad Spectrum UVA and UVB. Now, why is it important to use a sunscreen with Helioplex? When the active ingredients in some sunscreens are exposed to the sun's UV rays, they can break down and lose effectiveness, which can compromise the amount of sun protection they provide. Sunscreen with Helioplex technology are stable in the sun, so they provide effective optimal sun protection while you wear them. Now let's see how to use Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Dry Touch Sunblock SPF 50 Plus. I generally squeeze a little bit of moisturizer along with this sunscreen and apply it on my clean face and neck 15 to 30 minutes before sun exposure, and massage it for a minute or two to make sure it is absorbed into my skin. However, with this sunblock, you don't need to use a moisturizer as it is quite hydrating. It provides superior balanced broad spectrum protection against skin aging UVA and burning UVB rays and gives an ultralight and non-shiny finish. This sunscreen has a light, fresh scent and is gentle enough even for sensitive skin. And people who sweat a lot on their face, especially during the hot and the humid weather, it is a big relief knowing the fact that this sunblock is waterproof and sweat-proof. Also, you need to reapply this sunscreen every 3 hours to get sun protection continuously. Now let us see the benefits of using sunscreen whether or not you are stepping out in the sun. Now, sunscreen keeps your complexion even. Using sunscreen helps to keep your complexion even. Sun damage is one of the many causes of uneven skin tones, and daily sun cream helps to prevent those effects. Sunscreen provides you with sun protection. One of the most notable benefits of sunscreen is that it protects your skin against the sun's broad spectrum of harmful UV rays. Sunscreen actually minimizes the penetration of skin aging UVA and burning UVB rays into the skin and the triggering of a variety of skin disorders. Sunscreen helps protect against the visible signs of premature aging. We all want youthful, radiant and healthy looking skin, but overexposure to sunlight can increase the appearance of the fine lines and wrinkles. Using sunscreen can help protect against the harmful effects of premature aging or skin aging. Sunscreen reduces the risk of skin cancer. Sunscreen is very effective in reducing the risk of developing a variety of skin cancers, especially melanoma. You must apply sunscreen daily to see the cumulative protection over the days and months. Sunscreen gives healthy skin overall. Essential proteins in the skin like keratin are protected when sunscreen is applied. These proteins are primarily responsible for keeping the skin smooth and healthy, both in appearance and function. So guys, I believe you loved watching this video, and if you did, please take a moment to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I've listed the product details in the description box below. I'll see you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.